Morning! Quick video message for Barry. Barry, hi! Thanks for buying another saw. I've lost count. Thanks ever so much. So, I'll start her one last time before I drain the fluids so you can see how she's leaving me. Can't remember which way around the kill switch is now. That way, I think. Okay, many thanks Barry, and it's strange, out of all the L6s I've never cut with an L6, so I'd love to hear how you get on. And I've checked nearly 40 bars in chains and I can't find the blasted bar and chain for this saw, so anyway, many thanks again. Hopefully we'll deal again very soon. Bye for now.